Hello and welcome to Riverside Reptiles Education Center YouTube channel. In this video we are going to clean our reticulated pythons. As you can see, there is a lot of giant snake poop floating around in the water. There are 3 snakes in here. They measure between 14 and 16 feet long. So let's get in there and do some cleaning.
You have the... What are you doing?
Videotaping it.
Why?
Why not?
Why?
For YouTube.
Because you want to make it look like you do stuff. There you go. In case you want to know what a hungry retake looks like. Ready?
Yes, just all the body language of a hungry snake.
And then look at those 2 angels sleeping. Alright, kiddo. Go ahead. No, don't do the turnaround thing. You go over there. When you weren't here the other day, and it was just me and Everly, we were lamenting that you can like hold the retake out with one hand and then like hold them with your other hand. And we were just like, it must be nice. Ugh. Do you want her out on the floor while we do this?
Yeah, I don't trust Ka as much. She seems alright, actually.
I wouldn't trust that with my life. She's giving me some questionable.
Actually, Julie's giving me more questionable right
Yeah, because you're standing in the doorway unless she gets fed.
now. Make sure she doesn't wrap around and pulled up.
Yeah, maybe corner Everly. Like
Yeah, why not? I think she's fine.
Alright, probably.
What are you doing, Ka?
I'm not coming back.
Alright, I'll go get
You
it.
going back to sleep?
Oh, Tarzan's gonna shed, huh?
Yeah, that's why he's still sleeping. He's in bed.
I need to get a hose in here too. Should I do that while you're doing this?
Sure. Yes. Oh, you already done?
No, I'm just moving her out of here.
He's so cute. Did she shed? Or did she just have someone else's shed on her?
She just had someone else's shed on her. I'll turn the hose off. I think it's good enough. Jeez. Thanks, Ka. You can just pick her up. She's not in.
Yeah, I've been doing it. She's just kind of heavy. Is the only issue. relatively safe to proceed towards the business end. Let's bring her back closer to the water. As soon as you feel her tighten, it's a good time to let your partner know so they can get out of there. Usually they start to tighten around their tail fin. And then try not to ever let yourself get wrapped up.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it gave you a little insight on how we clean the Reticulated Python Enclosure. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to post them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. This is Brian from Riverside Reptiles Education Center, and I will see you next time.